All right, you guys, for number 26, again, this is really simple. You just put it into the graphing calculator just like that. And I believe I have this one here. Yep, there it is. And as you can see, what we're looking for is the limit as x approaches infinity this way. So as x approaches infinity, it's going to be this way. And what's happening as x is going towards positive infinity, the graph is going towards negative infinity. So the answer for number 27 is obviously, I meant 26. The answer for 26 is obviously C. Okay, so 26 equals C. Cool, you just have to graph that. Next, 27. Find f plus g of x. So really simple, we're just going to add these two together. So f is x squared plus 1. And I'm going to add to that whatever g is, which is x minus 7. And since I'm adding, it doesn't change any of my signs, so I can just x squared plus 1 plus x minus 7. And I can add, let's see, all my like terms plus, and that just means plus a negative 6 or just minus 6. And in this case, it's minus 6. So 27 is D. Okay. Boom. 28. Which of the following is the closest conversion of 120 feet per second to miles per hour? So I just used, oh man, Mr. Zielinski just told me what it was called. You know, whatever you use in chemistry and I can never remember the name for it. It'll come to me in just a second. It starts with the D. So we have 125 feet for every 1 second. Okay, and I know that there are, let's do feet first into miles. So I know there are, because I live in Colorado, 5280 feet. Okay, it's got to be catty corner to it to cancel it out in 1 mile. And I'm going to leave that alone since miles is what I want. And let's go ahead with seconds. I need seconds up here. How many, can I go straight to an hour? I'm just going to go straight to an hour. I know there are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So the reason I know this is going to work is because this feet cancels out with this feet. This seconds cancels out with this second. So what I'm left with is miles per hour. So what that fraction looks like is 125 times 3,600 all over 5280, which is approximately, if you use your calculator, let's see here, 125 times 3,600, divide that by 5280, approximately 85 miles per hour, which is, let's see, mph, which is D. So 28 is D. Dimensional analysis, you guys, just came to me. Dimensional, this could be a T, please don't judge. Analysis, dimensional analysis. Okay, I may not remember tomorrow. I tried to circle that, I crossed it off. I may not remember tomorrow, so it's up to you guys to remind me. Dimensional analysis. Oh, I need to remember this word. Okay, what was that? 28. 2 more. 29. Convert. Oh, okay, this is easy. Oh, sorry, you guys. Let's move this down. Convert 5 pi over 18 radians to degrees. So 5 pi over 18 is my radians. I want to know how many degrees that is. And I know that there are pi radians for every 180 degrees. So if I do cross multiplication. I get 180 times 5 pi divided by 18 equals pi times x. So 18 can go into 180 10 times, right? So that means 10 times 5 is 50 pi equals pi x. I divide both sides by pi to get oh, I think I need to press my pen. Well, you see, you're probably done now by the time I finished playing around with my pen. If I divide both sides by pi, I get x equals 50 degrees, which is, A. So 29 is A. Perfect. And you guys, you know that you have the conversion in your notes for radians to degrees and back and forth. I just always set up equivalent fractions, because I know pi is 180, so no matter which way I'm going to work it, I can do it. Again, I'm all about not having to remember things. I'm all about like being able to derive them. That's how my brain works, and I think it's an easier way to do that than memorizing things. Math is not about memorization. It's nice sometimes to have it on the top of your head, but let's see. Last one, question 30. Yay! A banner in the shape of a sector. You guys are gonna like, if you tried this on your own, be hitting yourselves because it was so easy. That has a radius of 10 feet, and we're looking at 1 radian. This is super important because, as you remember from, I think it was Trig Day 1 or 2, the definition of a radian was that the angle or the arc length was the same as the radius, right? So if theta is 1 radian, if this, I don't know why I started that down here, if this angle right here is 1 radian, that means that all of the sides are the same. So 10, 10, and 10, which means that the perimeter, which I think is what it's looking for, how many feet of rope piping need to outline the entire sector, is just going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30, which is C. So 30 equals C. So question 30, it's question 30, and the answer is 30. That was unexpected and not on purpose, but there you go. Please come and see me at lunch if you still have questions, and I will talk to you soon. Go back and review the ones that you may have had problems with. Review my other videos, and I will see you guys soon.